Perfect first home or investment. Positioned in a well-maintained complex, this neat and functional one-bedroom apartment presents an outstanding opportunity to secure a low-maintenance property in a prime inner-city location. Whether you're a first home buyer, savvy investor, or seeking a convenient city base, this residence offers both comfort and lifestyle appeal. Step inside to a light-filled interior, where a practical kitchen with gas cooking connects seamlessly to the open-plan living area. Warm timber flooring enhances the space, creating a welcoming environment perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The generously sized bedroom provides comfort and privacy, serviced by a clean and functional bathroom designed for everyday ease. Completing the home is a private balcony, ideal for enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day. Set within a quiet complex, this apartment offers low-maintenance living without compromising on location. You're just moments from cafes, shops, and public transport, making day-to-day living effortless and convenient. Additional features include an allocated car bay, easy care flooring throughout, and a layout perfectly suited for both owner-occupiers and tenants. With affordable strata fees and strong rental appeal, this property represents excellent value in a tightly held pocket of the city. Whether you're entering the market or expanding your portfolio, this is an opportunity not to be missed. Contact Rob Paradiso today to arrange your inspection before it's gone.